Hi and welcome. So in the previous lecture, we covered get server-side props function. How can we fetch the data in server-side using get server-side props function? So in this tutorial, we will create a movie card. So basically after creating this card, we'll map through the fetching data. So yeah, let's get started. So for that, I have planned to keep this card in a one file, which would be body.js. So let's create that file inside the sections. So create a new file body.jsx. okay, so rfc for shortcut code snippet. So first of all, we have to give the container class name container, and I wanted to make some space top and bottom. That's why I have to give the my, I mean the margin top and bottom, that would be 14. Inside that we will map through the data. So basically let's create an array for dummy purpose. Let arr is equal to it's an array. So just for dummy purpose, I'll just add some array here. Then we will map through this array. Suppose arr dot length get up then 0. There will be one div, otherwise we'll show a div with one image. The div class name would be with full and empty 20. There will be one image. I will give you the image link. So inside the public, so I used images when the array length would be 0 or less than is equal to 0. That time I will render this image, otherwise I will map through a movie card. So basically I wanted to create a movie card here, movie card component inside the sections folder. So the movie card.jsx, okay, rfce. Okay, so basically I wanted to map through the movie card component here. Okay, so inside that I have to map through the array arr dot map. So I'm just doing the data inside. Oh shit, my mistake. There will be an opening braces. Cool. So I have to give the key here, and data would be data. Okay, so basically I added that movie card. I have to design the card, but before that, so I have to import this component in the index.js. Okay, see the movie card component is there, and it is mapping through by array that I have declared for testing purpose. So inside the movie card, see there is a one image, and bottom we are showing a title and also the movie type and the year, released year, right? So basically what I have to do, first of all, we have to write the cursor pointer, because we want whole card would be the cursor pointer, right? See the whole card is cursor pointer, and then mx auto, and then text center. Okay, then inside that we'll use a div for image. we are using the div for this image. Let's use one dummy image for that, movie image for now. So we used a image, and the div class name would be width 200px, and then height would be 300px, and those would be in upper SM, I mean 640 pixel. Above 640 pixel, this style will applied, otherwise it would be with full height auto. Okay, and then I wanted to like center this images, that's why using mx auto. And then the hover functionality, for the hover functionality, so if it is hover, I want it to scale 110, and transitional duration would be 200, and overflow would be hidden. We have to use relative, and the image corner would be rounded. Okay, so for the this one would be the movie name, so we'll add the dynamic alter here, but for now just write the dummy text. And class name would be width full, height full, and object cover. Okay, so let's see. Did you notice the hover functionality working fine, images, but we have to style the wrapper div here, where we map through this all movie card here. So we'll apply the styles later, but we need to first complete the movie card first. And then we have to make space for the titles, the movie type and title, type title in here. So to here I wanted to all text would be white, and pt would be 4, and the title would be in the h5. Class name would be text medium, and truncate, because I don't want to overlapping the text, that's why I truncate the text. The truncate class name works like that. See, if you see here 3 dot, so basically 3 dot comes from the truncate class. So here just I write the Titanic, and inside the p class name will be text sm. I don't want to the big text is here, and it should be capitalized, and here will be movie, and then 2000. This is for the static for now, will dynamic soon. So see, okay, let's design the movie cut wrapper dips. I wanted to apply grid here. Grid, initially the grid would be grid calls 6 and gap 6. Let's see what's going. See, it looks good, right? 2 3 4 5. I can use one more, 6 7 8 9, and then 10. Boom, it looks good, right? Beautiful. Now it's time to make it responsive, because see, if you go to the small screen, it looks horrible, right? So we have to make responsive this card. So we have we wanted to grid call 6 only will apply above 2 XL. So if you wanted to see the 2 XL width, so if you can just write responsive. So 2 XL width, like the above 1536, the grid call 6 will apply, and Excel, I wanted to keep greet call 5. Above LG, I wanted to keep greet calls 4. MD, I wanted to greet calls 3. Above SM, I wanted to keep greet calls 2, and initially it will be greet calls 1. Greet calls 1. Perfect. Let's see how it's going here. If we go our design, did you notice above 1536, if I just 75%, above 1536 the grid calls applied 6. So basically our card design is completed. We have completed our design. So basically if there is a no with, see, if there is an empty array, then no data image will be applied. Okay, so in the next video we'll apply the context API. I will show you how to combine the client side data fetching and also server side data fetching works combined, and we'll make movie card dynamic. So yeah, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share. Please do subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.